What's up guys, Melody OBS here, and today I'll be showing you a slime package. And I took the note out and it says sunflower slimes. Can't really read it because it's backwards, but you can see it says sunflower slimes. And yeah, I ordered a green butter slime, which was $10, pink butter slime, which was $10, black glitter slime, which was $5. Oh, purple glitter slime, which was $10, and clear slime, which was $20, and the total was $55. She wrote a little note here, and it says, "Dear buyer, thank you so much for buying my slimes, and there are refunds, so if you want to return a slime, go to Sunflower Slimes 229 and tell me." Again, thank you for buying my slimes. And she just put a little notice that says there are extras. So I'm not going to be opening the extras until the end. So thank you, Sunflower Slimes 229. Here's the cute little bag. It's a Paris bag from Claire's. I guess she didn't want this bag anymore. I have the same exact bag. She put little wrapping papers, like purple, pink, blue, and green. Yeah. Cute wrapping paper. Here is our first slime. Let's put the bag over there. Here's our first slime. I think it's a green butter slime. Let me see. Green butter slime. Yeah. It's the first one on the list. And it was $10. So I wasted $10 on a slime. Okay, it's not technically green. I feel like I can add, on camera it's like a green color maybe to you guys, but it's actually yellow. One second guys. Okay guys, sorry for the background noises. Number one, I have a TV going and my sister's laptop. So, here is, okay, so here is the, supposed to be green butter slime, but it's yellow. I think it's okay. It does stretch, which I really think is good. Okay, sorry guys, I had to scooch up. But I actually think this one's really good. It might not be green. I'll just add like blue food dye or green food dye to make it green, but I like it. Thank you, Sunflower Slimes. I think she just accidentally got like it mixed up. I still think it's really pretty. Thank you, Sunflower Slimes. There's not much in there. They're supposed to be filled to the top, but she probably ran out of glue or something. It does stretch, but if you like stretch it too hard, it'll break. Thank you for that. The green butter slime. We'll just call it the yellow butter slime. Okay, the next slime is the pink butter slime. Let me find that. That's probably the black. Okay, so I think this is the pink. It looks like she just cut a piece out. Please. Okay, you can't see it, but I think this is pink. Oh, look at that. It's so satisfying. Scooched up again. My face was showing. Well, it wasn't showing. I'm just not allowed to show my face. I don't know why. I'm old enough. Give a little bit of my love to you. Yeah, my singing's terrible. Thank you very much. Here is this slime. It's not pink, which I don't really like. I wanted pink. This is purple. But if I added red, it'd probably turn red. And then me adding shaving foam or more. Oh, sorry, the camera fell. Okay guys, the camera fell. I am so sorry. The camera just hates me for some reason. Hey guys, here is a better light, and this looks like a light purple to you guys, but it's not. I just grabbed my phone and I put on flashlight because there was no light. But this is such a pretty dark purple. I'm just really sad that it's not like pink. But thank you, Sunflower Slimes 229, for giving me this other butter slime. It's really pretty. I just wanted pink really badly. But thank you. It's still a really good slime. Let's go on to the next. So guys, next is purple glitter slime. Yay! Oh, sorry. He saw my face. I swear, sorry. I think you just saw the dark. But here is the purple glitter slime. It's pink. At least I got a pink slime. Okay, I'm happy about this one. Oh no. It's a good thing I watch my videos before I post them. I just can't see the slime at all. So good it is. My camera's terrible. But here is the pink slime. Oh no! But the slime is pink, not purple, and I am happy that it's not purple. Thank you, Sunflower Slimes. She just mixed up the butter slime with the pink glitter slime, which is okay. Thank you for that glitter slime. It's really pretty. I am literally taking screenshots right now. Thank you for the slime. Really pretty. Let's move on to the next on the list. Okay, I totally know this is black glitter slime. I'm so excited for this one because she got something right. Oh my gosh, I think it's really pretty. It's just not filled to the top like it's supposed to be, but it's super stretchy and it's clear. I didn't expect it to be clear. I just want an original black glitter slime. Thank you for the clear. I think having clear is awesome. Thank you very much. It's really clicky, but it doesn't stretch much. It's super stretchy. I love it. Really pretty. Thank you, Sunflower Slimes 229, for that black glitter slime. Okay, let's move on to the last slime. So here's the last slime. It is the clear slime. Yay! Here it is. It's really pretty. I'm only going to take out a little bit. Here it is. It's really clear. Can you even see this, guys? I think you can. Here, let me get out the rest. You can see this, but it's really pretty. I do like it. Thank you, Sunflower Slimes, for this pretty clear slime. It's really pretty. It has a little bit of the glitter that was in the purple glitter slime, which was supposed to be, well, in the pink glitter slime. Has some of those little things in there, which doesn't bother me at all. I still think it's really pretty. Oh, there's something on the screen. There, took it off. Thank you. Sunflower Slimes. 229 for this. Thank you. Oh. Here it is. Yeah, I'm gonna show it again because it's just super pretty. Oh, here's the clear slime again. Sorry, I didn't know if it was like filming while I was doing the clear slime. Oh, it doesn't really stretch much. I'll just soak it in water. I'll soak it in water. But there's the clear slime. Let's pause. Okay, so we're moving on to the extras. The extras were free. Yay, so I didn't have to give any money for the extras. Okay, so I got a cute little squishy. It's a Shopkin squishy. Super cute. Super cute. I think she's pretty. I love it. Okay. Oh, it does have a little bit of rips in it, but I still think she's pretty. If you do this, you'll see rips. Rips. There's not many rips here. Rips. Okay, I think there was one more. Here is this one. We'll see if there's any. I found a rip here. It's pretty bad. It's a pretty bad rip. If I say so myself. It's really squishy. Love it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this slime video. Thanks for watching. Oh, camera, don't show my face, please. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.